experience for everyone. And every mission, habang tumatagal, mas nagiging close yung buong grupo. Not only the actors, but also the production. And mas nagagamay namin yung isa't isa. And ito sa finale, I think dito talaga nagbunga lahat ng mga, kumbaga lahat ng buwelo ng grupo namin. Dito namin na ibuhos, dito namin na ibigay. So, you know, bittersweet yung finale namin. You know, I think it's mag-enjoy yung mga audience natin sa finale. But also nakakalungkot dahil ito na yung huli for season 1.
Actually, it's so great that you mentioned na grabe yung samahan na nabuo, not just on screen, no? Pero lahat ng mga cast, even the crew, the creatives, isang hindi lang pamilya, brotherhood ang nangyari dito sa Incognito. I was talking to Baron kanina, I had an opportunity, at may rule kayo dito sa cast, di ba? Bawal ang... Baron, can you say that? It's okay, we're online, okay. Can you expound on that? Bawal lang yung sinabi mo.
Kasi, syempre, it was my first time to work with, you know, amazing professional stars. So, no, yung first, sa Palawan pa lang, everybody knew the script, everybody knew their lines, and I was like, oh wow, I was on my toes. So, you know, nireview ko lang yung script once. Nung nakita ko na alam nila yung mangyayari, and they give suggestions also na mas mapaganda yung show, yung story. Sabi ko, bumalik ako sa kwarto, binasa ko mga 4 times para makasabay. But yeah, so ano laki ng growth ko as an actor working with these talented people and the crew and staff, everyone.
That's so great to hear. Thank you. Okay. Danielle, we got questions coming from our press. Ito galing kay G of Malaya Business Insight. The question is, this has shown a sympathetic kuya and very principled Danielle to the audience. What have you learned from playing your role, and what are your feelings on saying goodbye to your character? You got 1 minute to answer the question.
Well, una siyempre mahirap pang bitawan yung karakter dahil masayang gawin ito eh. Masayang gawin masyado. Kasama itong mga ito. Kasama sila direct, yung buong cast, yung production, yung staff namin, masyadong masayang gawin. Dahil hindi siya naging madali. Kaya mas masarap yung tagumpay sa dulo eh. Yun. Next question, Rob. Natutunan. Bilang utol, siguro kung paano magmahal ng ganong kalalim sa isang tao katulad ng kapatid ko si Jude, di ba? Nakita naman natin yung lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ni Andres para mahanap niya yung utol niya. At nung nakita siya na ganun pa yung nangyari, di ba? Pero still, hindi niya tinalikuran yung kapatid. Para sa akin kasi ganun ang pagmamahal na totoo, di ba? Ano man ang kagaya ni Jun, kung ano man yung naging karakter niya, pagkatao niya nung nakita ko siya, hindi ako nawawalan ng pag-asa na may pagbabago, di ba? Na pwede kang magbago. Ganon. Hindi ko agad tatalikuran yung mga ganong tao. So, siguro isa yun sa mga natutunan ko.
So many learnings.
Kasi ang dami kong natutunan talaga. Pero isa yun.
Maraming salamat sa pag-emphasize niyo, Danielle. Okay, let's go to Direct Lester. From J, certified kapamilya, sa mga episodes na naipalabas na, which scene was your favorite or pinakatumatak sa'yo bilang director?
There are several scenes talaga na tumatak sa akin, pero on hand, ang naisip ko agad yung when they are on a mission to get Timor, and then nung i-deliver na sana nila si Timor, na-assassinate si Timor ng hawak nila. So that shows they're not perfect, they're not superhumans. Mga tao sila na natatalo. That's their first defeat. And then another scene that tumatak sa akin na paborito ko siyang i-shoot, paborito ko siyang gawin, yung may mission sila na tumbok nila yung pera ni Samio Patel. nung they encounter this huge amount of cash, doon nakita yung humanity nila na hindi sila perfect. Talagang nayanig yung buong core nila kung they would do the right thing or they would do they would follow their need as a human being. Yeah.
Yung mga morality issues din in closing this show, no? Okay, I'm sure you guys are curious too kasi natanong ko rin kanina kina Anthony kung gaano katagal mag-shoot ng isang eksena. Direct on average, kasi this is an action-packed serye, di ba? Gaano katagal i-shoot yung isang serye? Kasi coming from what Daniel said, matagal, mahirap. Bawat eksena, bawat episode, kaya mas masarap yung tagumpay.
I'll give an example. For example, they are 7 of them in an action scene. So you have to repeat all the movements ng very good take ng 7 times because you have to keep on shooting it. They have to repeat it, the whole action scenes na paulit-ulit ng 7 kasi iba-ibang angle and each and everyone needs to give them their own highlight shots. So we have to keep on doing it na ganun ka-intense, ganun ka nakakapagod. So mas 7 times more difficult ito gawin than ibang action projects that I did because all 7 of them is bida and superstars in their own right. So,
well, that is true. We got superstars in the cast. And also, behind the camera, Miss Des, grabe. Grabe itong programang to. Parang gusto ko ba maging part ng cast? Miss Des, ano-anong mga film or series, either international or local, ang naging inspirasyon niyo po sa pagbuo ng Incognito?
At first, Money Heist.
Yes.
Tapos Band of Brothers. But beyond that, yung past. Kasi Incognito is a story of second chances. Second chances, worth, and family. So alam naman natin yung pinagdaanan ng superstar cast natin. So hindi kami lumayo sa tunay na buhay. Instead, lumapit kami. Yun yung inspiration namin.
Gusto ko pong mag-follow up pero mahal ko po ang trabaho ko, Miss Des. Kaya papabayaan po natin yun. Okay, to the creatives. Okay, to Sir Andy King kita in, how do you come up with storylines and plot twists that touch upon social and cultural issues in the Philippines?
Una, may consultant talaga kami. May consultant kami, so may pinagtatanungan kami ng mga, kasi yung mundo ng PMCs, ibang-iba talaga. Ako personally, ngayon ko na sila na-discover. So may consultant kami. And of course, we watch a lot of news and documentaries. Kaya pag napanood yung mga kontrata nila, somehow familiar sa akin itong kontrabida na to kasi it inspired siya by real events.
And socially relevant.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much for creating this great project.